Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be making a lantern with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Come on with me, guys. Now, I decided to create this lantern in red, white, and blue. Just perfect for the upcoming holiday. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Let Your Sparks Fly, and that's being hosted by So Kate, and it's being co-hosted by Mamo Val's Trades DIY, and I hope I said that right. Guys, I'm gonna link that below. Now, as in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette, so let's just jump right into this. So as you can see here, the pieces were already painted. So I did one part of the top of the lantern in red. The sticks I went ahead, or the dowels, I went ahead and painted those in white. And then the bottom half I painted in navy blue. So now these pieces are already dry. Now I am using not the fixed all adhesive, but they also have at the Dollar Tree a cement glue, which is clear. I use that now instead of the fixed all adhesive because it's a little bit more stronger. Now what I'm doing here is I'm putting a little bit of the cement glue and a little bit of hot glue to keep it in place until all of this dries. Remember, when you're using an adhesive, you want to be in a well-ventilated area. You want to allow 24 to 48 hours of drying time. One, so that it can cure, and two, so you don't have any accidents. Now, I do want to apologize ahead of time because I did not realize the camera did not have the full lantern in full view, so you didn't see what I did with the top. For the most part, you can see what I'm doing, and then I go ahead and show you the top once I realized the camera was not in total focus of the lantern. This is also a very budget-friendly DIY. It only cost me a couple of dollars to make. Now I have some table scatter, which is in red, white, and blue, that I'm going to place inside of the box. I also got some Decor mesh right from the Dollar Tree and an LED candle. This is absolutely beautiful. The jute twine was the only thing I didn't get from there, and I believe I purchased that at Walmart. I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music as you see me putting this lantern together. Now, as you can see here, I have the beads that are already in red, white, and blue. Purchased that at the Dollar Tree. And honestly speaking, if you bought the beads and you painted it and went through all that trouble, it's still going to cost you more than $1.25. So this was a great buy. Now this is the part right here that I did not realize. I didn't have the full lantern in view, but all I'm doing is making a big bow out of the blue Decor mesh. And then I'm gluing it to the top of that lantern. It looks so beautiful, guys. I can't wait for you to see it. Okay guys, this came out so beautiful. I'm almost tempted to go ahead and make a second one. It is gorgeous and I hope you agree. Let's head on over to the reveal. Isn't this absolutely beautiful? I love it. I told my son on the phone that I was going to give him this one and go ahead and make another one. It is so cute. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day and God bless you. And once again, I do want to thank these ladies for hosting this collaboration. I had so much fun. Have an amazing day, guys. Amen.